In the rise of the Mongol Empire, historians reveal a subtle ally, weather and seasons shaping campaigns as much as swords. A harsh winter in 1241 slowed reinforcements, buying time for fortresses to adapt and for alliances to shift in Central Europe. Seasonal rivers and monsoon patterns dictated supply lines from the steppes to distant frontiers, forcing innovative logistics. These climatic factors framed choices that kept enemies off balance, while meteorological knowledge spread through caravans and scribes. Thus, the empire's rapid expansion hinges on weather as a quiet director behind the thunder of conquest.